Today, we are proud to present a handful of awards and scholarships, with the first being the PolyU Design Outstanding Alumni Award of 2023. And the first of two award groups selected today is the Distinguished Design Alumni of the Year. We'll begin with the first recipient, Mr. Chan, Chiu, Wang, Eric. Mr. Eric Chan is an accomplished graphic designer and a corporate identity consultant with 30 years of experience and more than 380 international and Hong Kong awards under his belt. In 1991, he founded Eric Chan Design Company Limited, a consultancy specializing in corporate and brand identity, visual identity, company brochures, and packaging. Today, he is actively involved in Hong Kong's design industry and is committed to nurturing the next generation of designers. The next recipient of this award goes to Mr. LAW Ling Kit Ajax. Please give him a round of applause. Mr. Ajax Law is a passionate and talented interior designer. In 2004, he founded OnePlus Partnership Limited with Virginia Lung, which won over 800 international awards globally since its foundation. He was one of the awardees of the JCI Hong Kong 10 Outstanding Young Person Selection of 2014, and in the same year was elected as one of 10 outstanding designers. His nominator is Professor Kun Pyo Lee. And the next is Professor Yanki C. Lee. Professor Yanki Lee is an international speaker, a design research scholar, and a social innovator who founded two collectives: Exhibit at Golden Lane Estate CIC in London in 2005, and Enable Foundation, a registered charity in Hong Kong in 2016. She has published more than 50 peer-reviewed papers, book chapters, and articles, and is a visiting professor at Design School Kolding in Denmark. And since 2017, she has conducted social design projects funded by the HKSAR government to tackle social issues through design research and actions. The Young Design Alumni of the Year. First is Mr. KONG Ming. And Mr. Kong is the CEO of TG0, a London-based technology company specializing in creating human-machine interaction products. He developed his expertise in electronic products and mass production over the years of leading TG0 projects, working with prolific brands within the automotive, gaming, and consumer electronics industry. And last but not least, Mr. WONG Tsz Ho Thomas. Mr. Thomas Wang is a highly experienced and accomplished business consultant, entrepreneur, and educator with a strong passion for innovation and technology with more than 10 years of industry experience. He has constantly achieved success in various business ventures, ranging from traditional enterprises to AI tech startups and innovation education. His current dedication lies in assisting businesses and young entrepreneurs to thrive amidst the rapidly evolving landscape of today. Once again, a big congratulations to our 5 recipients of the PolyU Design Outstanding Alumni Award of 2023.